This is your normal, average, everyday riding lawnmower. Normal, average, everyday riding lawnmower front tires. Front tires on these are nice and flat, which means you have a lot of surface area, and when you go to turn, you're moving a lot of tread. Well, have you ever heard of poor man's power steering? In this video, I'm going to show you the tires that will give you poor man's power steering. It's going to give you a little more traction and make it easier to steer, especially if you put like a loader bucket on your tractor. So let's check them out. The tires I have on the front of this tractor are called ag tires. They're also called bar tires. As you can see, they kind of have bars in the shape of a V. They're about a 1/2 inch wide. Now the contact surface area on the ground is very small. So when you go to turn, you're not moving much rubber. But with the bar tread, you still get a lot of traction. So let's check them out up close. And here's what the tires look like up close. These are lug tires, also known as ag tires. Now they do make super lug tires, and those will be harder to steer. You want the lugs where they're about a 1/2 inch wide, maybe about 3/4 of an inch deep. And that's gonna make your tractor easier to steer and easier on your steering gear and steering shaft. Riding lawnmower or a garden tractor style tractor like this one, these tires are what's called poor man's power steering. That's what's going to give you a little bit easier to steer. It's going to give you a little more traction, easier on the tractor. And if you put a bucket loader like this onto one of your tractors, these are going to be a must-have. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and finding out what poor man's power steering is. Put a link in the description to get these tires off Amazon. Have them show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Thanks for watching.